Now onto a module that's both widely used and genuinely appreciated by teams who care about staying compliant: compliance management. Whether you're a security analyst, IT admin, or compliance officer, this module gives you the tools you need to stay on the right side of industry regulations and internal policy requirements. The main idea behind compliance management is simple: help your organization follow the benchmarks and security policies it's required to adhere to, whether by regulation, internal audit standards, or industry best practices. Take PCI-DSS, for example. If you're in the financial or retail industry and handle payment card data, you're likely mandated to comply with PCI. Or say you're part of a healthcare provider or a government organization, then CIS benchmarks would apply, helping you harden your systems against misconfigurations and ensure baseline security. So how does this module actually help you comply? Let's say you're in retail and you need to meet PCI-DSS compliance. Head over to the Benchmarks section at the top of your screen and choose PCI from the list of frameworks we provide out of the box. Once you deploy this benchmark, come back to the dashboard and you'll get an immediate snapshot of your fleet, how many devices are compliant, and how many are deviating from the benchmark. And it's not just a top-level view, you get a rule-level breakdown that helps you pinpoint exactly what's failing and where. Once you identify the deviations, your next step is to fix them, and this is where compliance management really shines. By switching to the Fix Misconfigurations tab, you can deploy remediation actions directly from the console. So instead of just knowing where you stand, you're also empowered to take corrective action and move toward 100% compliance. Why is that important? Because being non-compliant not only puts your organization at risk of regulatory penalties, but also leaves your environment vulnerable to threats that these benchmarks were specifically designed to defend against. Now let's say you deploy a fix but later realize it created an issue. Maybe it disabled a service that a legacy application relies on. No worries. You can roll it back easily using the rollback feature, putting you back in control without needing manual intervention or hunting through system settings. To make sure you stay compliant on an ongoing basis, the automation feature is incredibly helpful. It lets you schedule scans and remediations, so your environment doesn't just pass a compliance check once, but remains in line every single day. We also offer patch approval workflows and a comprehensive status page, so you always know what's been fixed, what's pending, and what needs your attention, all from one place. So whether you're trying to pass an audit, meet regulatory requirements, or simply follow best practices for system security, the Compliance Management module gives you the visibility and control you need to do it right, and do it continuously. Check out our other walkthroughs to see how you can bring the same level of efficiency and precision to other parts of your security and IT operations.